Island, those are the types of twisters that we can experience when Hilary comes up into Southern California on Sunday. Right now, tonight, take a look at the storm. A beautiful eye with this storm. Winds of 130 miles per hour. That's sustained winds with wind gusts up to about 150, 160. It's moving northbound. Live Megan Doppler tonight. Boy, there have been huge thunderstorms in the deserts today. And late this evening, we had a couple move over 29 Palms. And this is just the beginning of what we're going to see. As the storm moves northward, more thunderstorms in the desert areas. That will develop on Sunday. We'll have a few tomorrow, but they'll really get ramped up as the storm gets closer to San Diego. Here it is, as David mentioned, the first time in history that we've ever seen a tropical storm warning for Southern California. And I do believe the Storms Prediction Center by Sunday will have a tornado watch in this area because those tornadoes can develop. They're small. They're like EF0s or EF1s with 100 to 110 miles per hour. But they move really quickly, almost like those that we saw a few minutes ago. And here's the storm track now. We've moved it a little bit further west with the eye coming in over San Diego. This will be Sunday afternoon, and it looks like it's going to track right over Big Bear Lake. At that time, it'll be a tropical storm, not a hurricane. The area of low pressure, which has played a significant role in all of this, has been stationary offshore. This is an upper air low, but it's this area of low pressure that's been able to guide the storm from its position off of Baja towards Southern California. And when we look at it tonight, look at the eye of this weather system. Wow, when you get in close, you can see all the way from 50 and 60,000 feet right down to the surface of the ocean. And in the eye of the hurricane, nothing going on. I mean, it's clear skies, and then just to the edge where we have these big thunderstorms rolling up to 60,000 feet, and this is where we can see these small tornadoes in these feeder bands that will be coming through the area on Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. So that's the kind of the structure of the storm. One thing that saves Southern California from powerful hurricanes is the cold water. And that's why the storm is going to diminish in intensity as it moves northbound late tomorrow afternoon and into Sunday. Here's how it looks. My forecast coming up is down to a 2 by tomorrow evening with 110 mile per hour winds off of Baja. Then it continues to move northbound as that upper air low pulls it northward. Look at the feeder bands by Sunday, late Sunday morning, starting to come into Southern California. Very heavy rain, and then the eye of the storm goes across San Diego. Look at this huge moisture field with this. This is why we're concerned about the possibility of flooding across the deserts and mountains of Southern California. Even in the LA basin, we could be looking at 2, 3, 4 inches of rain. I'll have that on the 7-day forecast in just a few minutes. Looks like by Monday night, most of the action will be way up into Nevada, dispersing over the area, and we'll be in much better shape. Rainfall totals are going to be extremely heavy. As I mentioned, anywhere between 2 and 3 inches of rain in the LA basin. And then out in the desert areas, that's where we could see 6, 7 inches of rain in a 48-hour period, and that's more than many of these areas have in a normal winter season. So that's why it's so extraordinary to see this going on. You know, definitely don't want to be traveling over to Las Vegas in a car on Sunday or Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. All right, here's 7-day forecast. A good-looking day for your Saturday. We'll have some morning clouds and afternoon sunshine. Temperatures look good tomorrow, too, at about 83. Then on Sunday, the wind and rain starts moving into Southern California. There's that 1 to 2 inches of rain in the downtown area. High temperatures about 80, so it's going to be a warm rain with gusty winds, too. The wind field looks like about 25 to 45 miles per hour. In some of those canyons, we'll see winds up to 50 mile per hour in gusts, and that'll be coming out of the east and northeast. Things start looking much better by Monday, late Monday afternoon into Tuesday, and then I think we're good sailing as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. In the valley areas, again, a warm day tomorrow, some sunshine over the area. It'll be kind of hard to believe that a hurricane is coming up from the south, but you'll know it on Sunday as the winds will pick up, so will the rain. 84 down to 78 Monday, then 82 on Tuesday. At the beaches, surfers, we got that big swell coming in for you. Only expert surfers, and remember, even for those surfers, really strong rip currents with this type of situation. The swell will be right out of the south at 4 to 8 feet, and then maybe up to 5 to 10 feet and higher in some areas in those south-facing beaches. Gusty winds at the beaches and heavy rain giving way to some sunshine by Tuesday. Mountain forecast, flash flooding. That's the big deal, David, for Sunday and Monday. All mountain areas, anywhere between 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 inches of rain is in the forecast for a 48-hour period. That can produce flooding. Same deal in the desert areas, 95. Look at these temperatures in the high desert on Monday as the storm rolls across Big Bear and into the high desert. High of only 79 degrees, but plenty of rain with that, David. And of course, I will be here in the Weather Center on Sunday as we track the storm right across the area.
All right, Dallas.